What's up, everybody? Big George here. Today we're here to see the Kitson. That is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, 1424 square foot. This is part of our new product line called the Majors Collection. So what we're going to do is turn this camera around and check it out. This is the home that is going to cost you about as much as your current rent. So it's definitely something worth checking out. So let's go check it out. Well, there you have it, my friend. The Kitson, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1424 square foot. This is what we're talking about when we say affordability. This home is currently selling anywhere from the mid to low 200,000. It's depending on where you are in the Orlando division, on up to 300, right? So if you're looking for a home that is going to be comparable to what you're actually paying rent for on a 1-bedroom apartment, this is something you might want to check out, or even a 2-bedroom apartment. This is definitely comparable, a lot more room and space, and at the end of the day, you're paying your mortgage, not somebody else's. So if that's one of your goals in life, is to have some home ownership and create some equity in your future, might be a good idea. Give Big George a call. We'll set up that VIP appointment and show you, hopefully, the home of your future. Hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.